Yo, what is up? So we're gonna continue working on some character creator stuff. Knight Rider 042, what up, what up? What you got going on? How goes it? Let's open this bad boy up. I think we're finally at the part where we can actually start setting up the character creator menu and stuff.
Hello, motherfucker.
Mr. Gyrexis, what up, what up? What you got going on? What is up? Yo, everything's fine. What about you? Hell yeah, that's good. Yeah, everything's going good. About to set up this character creator menu. Yo, someone else. Oh, it's oh, that's the same thing. I was reading the same thing twice. Whoops. But hell yeah, what you got going on today? What's the plan for the day? It happened. Just thinking about the create UE stuff to create in UE. Still don't know what. Like, are you trying to find like a solid project that you want to build, like a full-on game, or just like stuff to learn? Let's see here. Cool. So we need to set up this whole part, but I need to make sure I got some things properly being done. What are we doing on... Thought about maybe trying to create a Lego style RPG game, but I don't know. There's so many out there of that. I mean, it could be cool. If anything, it could be solid learning practice. Here, one second. I'll be right back. I gotta reset some stuff. Some stuff's not working. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, it would probably be to learn how the workflow of a whole game creation works. Lego style wouldn't be hard to model. Yeah, true that. Yeah, it'd be fairly quick on the modeling and stuff. So that would help. That would help a lot. Speed some things up. Hell yeah, go for it. I say go for it. Why not? Let me see. Go here. What are we doing here? Okay, we need to... maybe on here. No. Where are we setting... maybe it's on the level blueprint. Let's see. Vanillo? Hey, what's up? What you got going on? What up, what up? Main menu ref. Okay. So right here, instead of setting hidden, we should probably remove from parent. Let's try that real quick. Not much, just playing about in UE. Hell yeah, I can feels, I can feels. That's what we're doing too. We're about to start on the character creator menus and stuff. Okay, looks like that works. Yeah, we'll do that instead. Planes. I don't want to get stuck in Valheim land again. I'm gonna find something else. We'll go down here. Okay, so now that we got that settled, we need to start working on our character creator. So, blueprints. Actually, let's make a new folder here called character creator. Widgets. User widget. Character creator underscore W. Canvas panel. Cool. There nowhere else to get the open land landscape. Looks so good. Not that I'm aware of, sadly. Yeah, I think it's just like not on the marketplace anymore. And it sucks because I've been looking into other auto landscape materials too, and I've yet to find any that I like as much as this one. I've even seen some that are like 3 times the price of this that like doesn't have all the stuff that this one has. Because I'm looking into buying a new one. So I'm gonna have to do some research about finding some. Yeah. Yeah, sadly it's just gone. It's just gone. Sucks. Okay, so now open level blueprint. Also, right here, we're going to oh, we can't delay. Maybe we should have done this as a macro. Maybe. I can't just convert this to a macro, can I? Okay. Well, we just make it a macro. Let me just copy all of this. Add macro. Main menu or Move to character creator. Well, let me name it that because of the function. Let's just delete the function. Move to character creator. Event graph. And then we will move to character creator. Whoops. Damn it. There we go. Alright, let's make sure that's still working. Cool, yep. Then what we want to do in the macro is delay it. 2 seconds. Create widget. Character creator widget. Root to variable. Character creator ref. Add to viewport. Cool. There we go. Now in the character creator widget, got some references. Gonna kind of use inspiration from Baldur's Gate 3. At least some things. Some things we'll do differently. Like we probably won't have the origin thing. Probably just go straight to race. What's the difference between macros and functions? Looks the same for me. They are basically the same. The main difference is in a macro, you can use things like delays and timers. So in a function, in here, if you try to find a delay, you can't just add a delay in a function. In a macro, you can add delays. You can add timer by event, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. You can do things involving time in a macro. So basically the same. That's just the main difference. Okay, nice to know. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, if you want to have a function that that you can add delays and stuff into, just use a macro instead. Or you could do it with a custom event. You know, custom event. You can still use timers and stuff with custom events because it's just on the event graph, but yeah. Okay, nice to know. Didn't use macros yet? Yeah, macros are useful. I didn't use them for a long time because I didn't know the difference either for a really long time. But yeah. Main difference is you can use timers and stuff in them. So let's get started on this. So we need to have some buttons over here. Let's grab a vertical box. Set the size to 300 maybe? Maybe not even that much. Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll do 300. Size of 600. Anchor this to the left. Point 5. 0.5. Position X 400. 200. Maybe just 100. Oh no. 150. 175. We'll do that. So, some of this will be different. Like, we're not doing sub races. We're just gonna do races. Actually, we don't even really need a lot of this. We may just use this to control. Let me think about how we're gonna do this. Because we don't need... Maybe we don't want the menu on this side. Maybe we just want a full menu right here to choose from a different list of things. Because we're not doing... The only thing we're doing on this list is the race, really. It's the only thing we're doing, and maybe some things with the stats. Yeah, okay. So we'll do it a little differently. Let me pull that back up. So we'll just have a menu here. Well, I guess we could have our buttons over here and then a menu that pops out. Maybe. Let me look at the edit appearance. Yeah, when you do that, the menu over here goes away. Okay. You seen this site? Show you UIs and games? Let's take a look. Let's take a peek. Oh, whoops, wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. Could get some solid UI references this way. Definitely pretty cool. Yeah, I use tons of references for UI and stuff for sure. Yeah, I use it a lot. Yeah, I normally just like download the game and take screenshots. Like I have an idea of how I want to do the UI from like other games, and I just download the game and snag screenshots of the UI. That's the way I've been doing it. That's how I did this. I just downloaded Baldur's Gate 3 and grabbed a bunch of pictures. Nice, yeah, I didn't know this was here. I didn't know this was a thing. They have Baldur's Gate 3 on here. No, they don't, sadly. Hell yeah. Well, now I know that's there, though. So, maybe we do just do this little menu that has the buttons, and then another thing that pops up. And then the stats over here. Hopefully it will be updated again soon. Yeah, they need to. They don't have Baldur's Gate 3 on it. Need Baldur's Gate 3. So, let me think. So we'll probably... Let's... call this... Character... Creator... Buttons... Vertical... Box. Let's see. Ripped G? Hey man, what's up, Ripped G? What you got going on? What up, what up? And then... let's grab a button. Actually, maybe we want... would be cool, kind of cool to have the little icon next to it. I like that. What are the icons, though? So let's grab a horizontal box. And... that was something. What was that? Nithel Nesnulre? Did I say that right? Just subbed? I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. Yeah, we're about to hit 1,000. We're like a few subs away from 1,000. Let's see what we're at. We only need 4 more subs to hit 1,000. We might hit it during the stream. Maybe. That would be cool. So let's wrap this guy with a size box, then a height override. Let's say 75. Nah, 75 is too much. Say 50. Then in the horizontal box, grab a button. Throw that there. Mr. Direxus. And it's possible to release them infinitely? Oh, I missed one. Last night I've seen a video where they packed all their icons in one font. It was really cool. It saves a lot of graphics memories. Yeah, we're doing some things kind of like that, but not quite. Oh, we got another sub. Somebody subbed. Who was it? Wait on their notification. Spaceworks Studio, I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. Welcome in. That puts us to 997. We only need 3 more. Yeah, we're not quite breaking it down that much, but we are separating a lot of our widget stuff. That helps a lot. Yeah, not quite that small though. I'm kind of using references from another pack I have, which in this pack they do that. Like they have all of their stuff broken down like that. I just didn't quite go that far with it. Like yeah, if you look in this pack that I have, the widgets, they have all of their stuff broken down, kind of like the video you posted last night. I saw it when you posted it. Like they have their stat bars and stuff broken down, and like yeah, stuff like this. And you just set all the stuff inside of it, and yeah. Oh, we got friggin' ads. We got friggin' ads. So let's... Oh, actually, you know what? We're doing this wrong already. Yeah, we already messed up. We don't want this on this widget at all. Let me delete this. We needed a new widget for this. Character creator, user interface, widget. We're gonna call this character creator buttons underscore W. Canvas panel. There we go. So now we want to grab that vertical box and anchor this to the left. Size 300, yeah. And then size Y 600. 0.5 and 0.5. Let's say, why is it making everyone purple today? That's like the hardest color to read. Jesse, hey, how are you? How's your day been? It's been pretty good. It's been pretty good. And we're starting on our character creator widgets and stuff today. But how are you? What you got going on? What up, what up? Position X 200. Yeah, we'll do that. Congrats, you're nearly there. 997 subs, 3 to go. Yeah, we done got a few just during the short time I've been on stream. Yeah, we'll probably hit it today at some point. Hopefully. If not, we'll be there by tomorrow. Yeah. We about to hit that 1K subs. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That'll be cool. Significant milestone. What are we calling this? Creator buttons size box or vertical box for vertical box. Yeah, I'm good. I added more dinos such as Albertosaurs and Triceratops. Oh hell yeah! Did you get more packs, or those were just some stuff in your packs that you hadn't added yet? But hell yeah, exciting. New dinos. Then we want a horizontal box. We're gonna wrap this guy with a size box. And on the size box, we're gonna do a height override of 50. And add a button on the horizontal box. And we're going to wrap that button with a size box. And then on that size box, we're gonna do a width override of, say, 75. No. Let's go ahead and give it padding of 5. And then width override of, say, 60, 50, 40, maybe. And then on the button, corner radial. Actually, let me think about this, because you want the entire thing to be pressable, so maybe not quite like that. We probably just want an icon, the whole thing to be a button with an icon and text on top of it. Coldboy5944, I appreciate the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. There's a Steam achievement integration worth 60 euros in the marketplace. 100% off today. Oh, you're talking about the free marketplace stuff? Yeah, I grabbed all of that stuff yesterday. I think that's what you're talking about, right? Talking about this? Or are you talking about something else? I got Triceratops from Marketplace and Brachiosaurus too, along with Albertosaurs. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah. So you got some new ones. Hell yeah. New dinos. Yeah, that. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I grabbed all of these yesterday. I grab them every month. I don't know if I'll use this, but I don't know. I don't know that I'm building anything that, I don't know. Maybe. I didn't realize it was, okay. Yeah, I didn't realize it had Steam achievements involved. I thought it was just an in-game achievement thing. I didn't read into it too much. Maybe I will use it then to make some Steam achievements. I didn't realize that's part of what it had. Yeah, that could be cool then. Hell yeah. I guess it's just to have free. Hell yeah. Hey, I snag all the free stuff. It's nice to have free. Yeah, I grab all the free stuff. I got a big old list of packs here. Most of them free. But a good chunk of them I paid for as well, though. Yeah. Just a massive list of packs. Oh, damn? Yeah, I've been snagging these bad boys for a while. I've been snagging me some packs. What are we listening to? Oh, it's on Kana. I don't say, it's playing a lot of songs I'm not familiar with. It's stuck on Kana Bridge of Spirits land. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start with herbivores now. Oh, hell yeah. Carnivores are nearly done? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. How long do you think you have until the whole game is done? Like, how much more you got? Okay, so this button, instead of just making it this small, we need to make it go across the whole thing, actually. So, what if we fill? Yeah, we could just fill, and then on the button. Alpha. Make it like that. And then we need to add a... You're kind of like me, I bought a lot of stuff too. Yeah, them damn packs. I definitely fall into buying some packs. And a lot of them I don't even use, but... Yeah, the ones that I can think of that I bought was this one, Advanced Light Actor System. I definitely paid for that one. I definitely paid for this one, although this was probably my dumbest purchase, but this was before I knew how to build character creators on my own. Definitely paid for that one. I paid for this crystal prop one. That one's pretty cool though. I like that one. I definitely paid for Easy Sky. I definitely paid for the flexible combat system stuff. I definitely paid for the Goblin. Actually, no, I might have got the Goblin pack free. Never mind. I think I got that one for free. Definitely paid for... I think I paid for the landscape brushing tool right here. I'm pretty sure I did. Paid for this little demon dude. I think I paid for this thing. Has a bunch of monster sounds in it. Paid for this little mutant guy. Definitely paid for the open land stuff. Definitely paid for a procedural foliage placement tool. Paid for this little character right here. Paid for Smart AI. Paid for Survival Game Kit V2 for sure. And those are all the ones that I noticed. Probably a few more in there. Yeah. Well, I need to start the herbivores. Then I have another gameplay mode where you play as mercenary to shoot dinos in first person mode. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh god, why? Combat systems are so fun to make. Yeah, a lot of that stuff I bought before I was able to do, like, build anything on my own. But I still actually use flexible combat system to grab the animations from it, because they got some good, damn good combat animations. I got it in here right now. And I just snag animations from it. If you go in the animations... Yeah, I just use this now to just grab animations. Save me some time on animating and not be stuck with shitty ass Mixamo animations. I don't know why I'm on locomotion. I'm meant to go to combat. Yeah. DT. Now that's a library. New here. What's the premise of your game? It looks good in the thumbnail. And your character creator? Oh, hell yeah. Well, welcome in. Welcome in. So the premise is you're going to start off as a character that's kind of experimenting with some alchemy stuff. And So basically what's gonna happen is you're trying to like break into this other dimensional world, kinda, or like, you know, like communicate with it, but your experiment kind of goes wrong, and that this other dimensional world spills out into your world, and yeah, basically a bunch of shit goes wrong, kind of like Stranger Things-ish, a little bit of a Stranger Things just kind of thing going on, but yeah, that's kind of the idea. It's gonna be like medieval fantasy, all that kind of stuff going on with it. Yeah. They're just their anims. Yeah, I just snagged the anims from this now because there's a ton of them, and it would save me a lot of time and definitely be better than me having to make a bunch of these animations. Yeah. Is it online? It will not be. It is a single player game. One second. I gotta turn my air conditioner on. One momento. But yeah, no, not a multiplayer game. Oh, for sure. That sounds super fun. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. They're just their items. Here's the ones. It says in the pack that he uses these ones. Oh, did he grab some from the packs? From another pack? Here, let's see. Let's see what he used. Can you resell stuff from other packs? Is that a thing that you can do? Ooh, the magic staff pack. That would be... I think they worked on it together. See, why don't I have the magic staff stuff? I want this. Where's this pack at? I don't have these animations. Where are my staff animations? Oh, there's way more animations in here, I think. I feel ripped off now that I see this. Hey, do you think I should add melee in my mercenary mode? Is it primarily a first-person shooter kind of thing that you're trying to do? Yeah, I have all them packs. Might have been after that combat stuff. They also get updates them packs too. Yeah, these packs. Yeah, I wish I would have known about these before. These probably have animations that I don't have. I'm gonna wishlist this one though. Oh, I can't sign it. I can't wishlist it from here. I want the magic staff animations. That would be dope. I guess I could make them on my own though. I don't necessarily need to buy them. Yeah, it's gonna be first person, but is it primarily a shooter? Like, are you gonna be using guns? Okay, so let's grab our character creator buttons widget. We'll just add that there for now. So on the button, let's grab it. Can we... What can we do? Well, I guess we need to make the icon, right? Draw as rounded box. Ah, cool. Okay. This works for now until I actually get some icons. Throw that guy there. Yeah, like assault rifles and pistols. It could be cool to add melee if you think you can easily switch between like melee combat and gun combat. Could be cool to add it. So on the horizontal box, let's add a text right here. Center that. And we will call this one, make it say lemon milk, and it'll say player name. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna want to make that smaller, and also wrap this with a size box. Yeah, I made a system like that before. Oh hell yeah! Did I say go for it? Why not? Could be cool. Could be pretty nifty. So outline settings. Do we want an outline? Could be kind of cool. Outline. Okay. With the stats component, I'm right in thinking if you want different weapons to add stats to your character, so more health or whatever, you add the component onto the said weapon and change the health to what you want to add. Yeah, so like when you're adding information from other components, so I'm actually been kind of learning some of this from looking at stuff that Flexible Combat System is doing. So if you look in here and you go to their components, so anytime they need to change information from another component, what he tends to do in here is, let's just go into the inventory component. He tends to have a function in here that where is it at? He tends to have something storing his information. If I can find it. Store components. Yeah, he tends to have the store components function doing something like this, where he grabs references to the other components, so he can grab the information out of this and change it somewhere. So you can do that. If you want to see kind of how he's doing it here. One second. Alright, I'm back. Okay. So, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Yeah, someone was knocking at my door. I had to see what the hell they wanted. Alright, so yeah, this is kind of what they're doing to get references from component. Get component by class, get owner, and then promote that to a variable. Yo, yo, yo! Who this? Casey! Yo, yo, yo! What up, Casey? What you got going on? So yeah, this is kind of... We're probably using some of this kind of idea as well to get information. What up, Casey? What you got going on today? Okay. So let's see. What is up with this? Why is this taking up? Ah, I see. Hold on. It's because this isn't on the button. So we need to on the button wrap with a overlay. Right. And then on the button, why is the button, let's fill the button like that, and then we need to add this guy on the overlay, and we need to size this. We don't need to size it to the full, we need to size it to the right. And width override, something like that. 150. Something like that. Let's see. Size of the content. Cool. Material work for work, then I'll be delving a bit deeper in those material functions from last night, organizing and moving on to integrating normals. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got a good chunk done. That little bit of time that you're on. But hell yeah. Hell yeah. We need padding on the left. No, we don't. What do we want? Oh yeah, padding on the right. Of say 25 maybe? Something like this. But hell yeah. How long you got till work's over? And then this will be the entire size box. Cool. Now let's take a look over here. And we will anchor this to the left. Back. 0.5. 0.5. Something kind of like that. Position X, not size X, position X to about, here, let's see. I don't think changing this to desired changes anything. Okay, I see. Position X. Hold on. Maybe we just anchor this to the center. Yeah, and then we get something more like that. There we go. I generally try to put it around 4 days, 4 hours a day or more. Hell yeah, yeah, that's a solid little number to get a good chunk of stuff done. Not a bad number. So they don't like really like give you like a time limit. They just want you to like, you know, just have something done. But that seems pretty chill. Seems like a chill way to work. Yeah, that's kind of what that's about the number I've been trying to put into, at least on this project as well. Well, I'm putting in at least 4 hours on stream, but I'm definitely doing more than that off stream. Definitely still doing stuff with this off stream. So that looks good so far. Let's see how it looks when we... it's about time for an end and restart, getting the damn pool size. Yep, we get that. It's a little too far over. Do an end and restart. Yeah, they pretty much just tell me what they need. Once done, they give me the list. Give me the next list of things needed. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've never got to work on a team like that, so that sounds interesting. Open this guy back up. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Let's open maps, main menu. Got a third person, blueprints, widgets, character creator. Open both of these. Maybe I want the vertical box to be not as wide. Maybe. Or maybe just not as far over. We could just move it over. Position X, 150, 175. Let's try that. Not gonna be stingy with my work, so I'll share the material functions I made. May seem like I'm going fast and in stream, but it's only because I've already done the trial and error. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. My stream. Yeah, not Steam. Gotta love autocorrect. Yeah, sometimes autocorrect can straight up screw you. Sometimes. Oh, whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, that's really nice of you. Yeah, I appreciate all the info that you've been giving out and stuff. It's definitely helped me get some way more badass materials. That's for sure. But yeah, that's kind of like how I am with the, you know, with like doing the Souls-like tutorials and stuff. Like, I might not be making like the most amazing things that I'm giving out the files for it, but anything that I do make custom, I like sharing the files for. Like, I hate when I go and like follow a tutorial series or something, and they lock behind files behind like a Patreon or something like that. Like that kind of stuff. I immediately leave the series when I see that. Like, I don't plan on doing Patreon and shit like that. Like, people want to help support me, they can support me in other ways. And if I make anything custom for the series and stuff, then I will just give the files for that. Like, yeah. Okay, cool. And we get the button. Cool. Yeah, yeah. So on this construct, we want to, we basically want to, we need an enum. We need to go ahead and make our enum blueprints, enum, make a new folder called menu enums. This is gonna be our blueprint enum. We're gonna call this main. Sure, we'll just call it main menu enum, or main menu underscore e. And we need to also add a blueprints. Where's it at? Actually, let's go to third person, input actions. We're gonna add a input action called menu back. Open that guy. We'll go to the inputs IMC default. Add that input menu back button. I guess we'll make this queue, kind of like the Soul series. Works for me. Works for me. Queue. And then let's add on gamepad. That's gonna be, what is that? That is face button right? I'm thinking it's kind of like, what is that? The B button. And I'm not sure what that's gonna be on PlayStation. I'm gonna have to hook my PlayStation controller up to figure that out, but I'll do that later. Yeah. We got that. So blueprints, widgets, main menu. Let me think. We could go ahead and start adding some of our back inputs, but we only really. Let me pull up this new game selected. So right here, we need to add an enum. In our enum, we need to go into menu enums. We're gonna add an enum called new game button selected. And in our character, for our main menu widget, we're gonna add a variable called menu, or button selections. That's gonna be our menu E. See if it comes up. Main menu E? Yeah, call that main menu E. And we will set that be new game button selected. Cool. So now if new game button is selected, we need to add in our inputs for going back. Back button, or back, what the hell did we just call it? Back, menu back, or something like that. Menu back, input action menu back. Yeah. Branch. We'll grab our button selected. We'll get an equal enum. new game button is selected, we want to basically do the opposite of what we're doing right here. So let me just grab all of this. Actually, maybe we're gonna have to do something else in the level blueprint, I believe. Actually, no, not yet. Not on this one. Not on this one. So let me just change this to be visible. Change this to be hidden. See if that works. So new game, if we press our back button, it didn't work. Why not? Oh. I plugged that to the false. Whoops. Now let's see if it works. New game, back. Okay, it works. We're also gonna play sound. Not that loud ass banging sound for the back button, but we're gonna play the button click sound. Now let's test that. New game, back. Cool. Something's not right. What messed up? New game. Okay, we don't want to set the... We don't want to set the... Press start visible right there. New game, back. Cool. Cool. That's what we want. Comment this, call it back buttons. What's going on here? Oh. We'll call this focus to menu to main menu buttons. And what is this? Button controls. What is button controls? The hell is button controls? Let me see what the hell this is. Oh. Why is that called button controls over here? Okay, I guess it changed. Oh, the custom event's called button controls. Okay. Then this is button controls. Gotcha. So, all this button controls. And let me organize this a little bit. For now, we'll set it up like that. So now, when we click on any of these buttons, we need to set up so if we go back, okay, that sound shouldn't play. Hold on, let me see why that sound's playing. Oh, that's because we need to set our enum to something else when we click the... go to our other widget. Widgets. Main menu. Difficulty selection. We will add an enum called menu, or we'll call it button selections. Is gonna be our main menu enum. We're gonna set this. We need to create a new enum. Which is gonna be difficulty selected. So we want to set compile. Set difficulty selected. Right. Let's test that. Still playing the sound. Oh, we gotta add that to all of these. Now let's test it. Still playing the sound. Do I have to do all of that from the actual same widget? Because that's annoying as hell, if that's how it works. Right. Because we're not setting this to be selected, but it is a different variable. I mean, it's the same enum, but technically a different variable. Let me think. Maybe we get our difficulty selection widget. On clicked, or we're gonna have to do it for each button, probably. Okay, very easy button. On clicked, find a bit to on clicked. Can we add more than one of these buttons to this? Easy button, is that a possibility? Ooh, we can. Okay. Not that bad then. Medium. hard button. Very hard. Then we're going to make a custom event called difficulty selected. Then we're gonna add another custom event. Sets button selected. And we're gonna set button selected to be difficulty selected right here. And then we will difficulty selected. We'll add on our button controls here our difficulty selected. And that should fix the issue with the sound. Let's see. Which in that case, let me think. We're gonna do it all from the main menu anyways. We don't need the enum here. Let's test that real quick. And the sound doesn't play anymore when we hit the back button. Cool. Cool. So, let's comment this, call it difficulty selected. Hey, yeah, 1K now? Did we hit 1K? Did we hit it? Oh shit, we're at 1003. Holy shit. Hey, appreciate you letting me know. Hell yeah! We hit 1K. Party time. Party time. Rip G? Hell yeah! I appreciate you letting me know. I appreciate everyone that has subbed. Damn. We've gone up like, I don't even know, like damn near 10 subs just since I've started the stream. Actually, probably right around 10. Damn. Hey. I don't know how to celebrate. What do I do to celebrate that? Hell yeah. I can just say hell yeah a lot.
Holy mother of God!
Hey, it's Lord Kitty. What up, Lord Kitty? Congrats, man. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Grats. I appreciate. Yeah, we hit 1K. We just hit 1K. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hi man, how are you? I'm doing pretty good. We're kind of celebrating just hitting 1K subs on YouTube. We just hit it. We just hit it. But how are you, man? What you got going on? Nice? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even know we hit it. Hell yeah. We hit 1K. That's friggin' awesome. Congrats, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm attempting multi-threaded rendering and a batch instance rendering again. Oh god. Oh god. Let's see how it goes. We got a notification. Axum Plays just subbed. I appreciate the sub. Welcome in, welcome in. I appreciate it. Hell yeah. How's it going so far on that? Any troubles already? Or yet? Hell yeah. Ah, that's freaking awesome. We hit 1K. Now, next goal, 2K. Yeah, it didn't take that long to hit 1K. Like, I started doing the tutorials. How long ago was it? Not that long ago. Before I started doing the tutorials, I only had like 40 subs or something like that. Just because I posted a few videos of like levels and stuff that I made. See how long ago it was when I started the tutorials and stuff. Let's go way down. So about 3 months, or about 2 months ago. Maybe somewhere in between 2 to 3 months ago. Took that long to hit 1K. So not too bad, not too bad. And everything before this was just me posting random stuff that I worked on. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 1K. The other issues are all fixed, and I added some additions yesterday before I went to sleep. I can now load multiple textures from multiple materials and also solid albedo color materials too. Not started the multi-threaded rendering batch instancing yet. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So yeah, you got a lot more work done then. But that's dope. Well, hopefully it goes smooth sailing. Hopefully. Silent! Seeing you on, just stopping by to show some love. Hey, what up, Silent? What you been up to? I appreciate you stopping in. We're celebrating we just hit 1K subs on YouTube. Like, within the last 10-20 minutes or something like that. So hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I made quite a bit of progress on the engine yesterday. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Time to post it up on the internet. Let people start building it. Building games with it. You're gonna be the next Unreal Engine. Nice, congrats. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But how you been, man? What you been up to? Hell yeah. It's strictly for in-house use. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. But what if other people want to use it? What if I want to use it? What if I want to build my game in it? Oh yeah. Don't need to use what already available. Yeah, I mean there's plenty out there. I'd let you? Oh, you'd let me use it? Ah, well, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So I'm trying to debate on if I want to... I guess that's fine. Let me look back at the reference. Ah, okay, they're making their buttons a different color, or their text a different color here to make it stand out. Not a bad idea. We could do that. Make it the color of our buttons. Just gaming, homie. WoW Season of Discovery Phase 2 starts tomorrow. Other than that, been playing a Dark and Darker lookalike called Dungeonborn? I don't think I've heard of Dungeonborn. Let's take a look at it. Is it on Steam? Let's see if it's on Steam. But hell yeah, good old WoW. I still haven't played WoW. I let Mr. Direxus use it as well. Hell yeah. Yes? Here, let's take a look at it. Dungeonborn, this guy. Let's pause the music. Let's see what Dungeonborn is. I haven't heard of it. Graphics are pretty so far. Hydrate? I shall, I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. Mr. Tyrex says, hell yeah. Damn, I kind of think this looks better than Dark and Darker. Graphically, at least. Yeah, I still haven't played Dark and Darker either, though. I need to try it out at some point. Hell yeah. PvPvE dungeon crawler extraction based with a zone closing. Looks pretty damn good. Very nice visuals. I definitely like that. I'm just not super familiar with the genre. I haven't played any games like this yet. So I'm not really sure how the flow would be and like how much I would like it. Oh, they have a demo. Is that all they have? Is the demo? Played Tarkov? I haven't played Tarkov. Yeah, it's free until the 12th. I'll grab the demo. Why not? Sure. I might try it out at some point. Hell yeah. Seems cool. Okay, let's turn this guy back on. There we go. Yeah, I haven't played anything in that genre, really. Not that I could think of. So let's see. So... So we need to add being able to go back from our let me think. How much have you done on the game today? So we haven't done too much. We're kind of working on like adding back buttons. We've got it all the way down to, you know, you click the button, it comes down to where the character creator will be. We're kind of working on the widget for the character creator a little bit, and working on our abilities to move from the character creator back to the main menu widget. Just kind of what I'm trying to do right now. So yeah, that's nice. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, a lot of this will change too. Like as far as like how this is looking, I think I want to change the visual style of it a lot once we actually kind of get some levels and stuff built. So this is all pretty much placeholder right now. Basically everything about it except the functionality. I'm mainly just trying to make the functionality of it at the moment. So, yeah, now I'm just trying to add a back button so that when we go down to the character creator, we can go back. Actually, maybe we don't want to do that yet. Let me think. So in terms of design, you'll replace that with new designed buttons, etc. Yeah, everything about like how the level is designed, the buttons I would like to replace. Yeah, everything about the UI I would like to replace. I'm just kind of getting the layout and functionality of it right now. Mostly. Yeah, just kind of getting a general flow of it and such. Hey, that demo downloaded. But yeah, a lot of this will be completely changed. At least I would like to completely change it. Like, I kind of want the character creator to be kind of like similar to where you're gonna start in the game, and the place that you're gonna start in is gonna be in like, you know, your little experimental alchemy area. So I would like this area to actually be, you know, like an alchemy station. Like you're in a house and there's gonna be like or like a building, and there's gonna be like an alchemy station and stuff behind you, and yeah. So what you're doing now is more of the UX, not UI. What's UX? I'm not familiar with that term. I see nice. Hell yeah. We got friggin' ads. User experience, it refers to the clicking of buttons, the navigation of menus, etc. Yeah, that's more of what I'm working on, rather than actually making it look exactly how it's gonna look. Basically, the interactability. Yeah, that's pretty much more of what we're focused on. Basically everything behind how it works, rather than the visuals of it. Pretty much the idea of what we're doing. I mean, we're adding a little bit of visuals, but that's just placeholder stuff for now. Or at least I would like it to be. I'd like to find someone that can help me with UI, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it to look exactly how I want it to look. Not without help. Cause I'm just not a graphic designer like that. I mean, I could try, but I don't think it'll look the way I want it to. So you have an idea of the style you're going for? Yeah, I mean, like, I could show you a pack that I saw that's pretty similar to what I would like a lot of the UI to look like. Let me look it up. Where did I see it? There's a pack that has some similar designs. You tell me what you need, I could try to design. It'll be kind of, you know, I could show you kind of similar to like what you see in The Witcher. Like I really like the like I like having the things with these cool little outlines, these like medievalish like outlines around, you know, around things. You know, it's pretty simple. It's just like I'm just not good at graphic design. Like I want the buttons to have stuff like this. There's also another pack that I saw that had some similar. Actually, it might have added it on my wish list. Let me look. Maybe not. UI. Where is it? Yeah, like I like a lot of the stuff that I saw in this right here. Like it's nothing crazy, but it's kind of unique. I mean, it doesn't have to be this detailed. Like I like, you know, the unique outlines, the medieval style, like border stuff. It doesn't have to be super complicated. It's pretty simple. I'm just not a graphic designer. Yeah, like these kinds of borders and stuff. Like, I really like this kind of stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's mostly what I'm looking for. Something more like that. Sometimes less is more. Yeah, I mean, I want it to be more than what it looks like right now. I don't need anything overly crazy. I just want something that's not the basic Unreal Engine default things that comes with it, you know? Like, yeah, nothing too crazy, you know? The Witcher is very, very simple in how they do it. They just have these simple little borders around everything. A lot of it tends to have like a gradient overlay on top of it. Yeah. Yeah, things like that. UI looks awesome. Yeah, I love these kinds of UIs. Some more edgy design? I mean, I guess you could say it's edgy. I think it's just like, you know, it fits the genre more. Like, it's just, you know, it's more unique to the genre. You see this kind of thing in a lot of like medieval style games. You know, these kinds of borders and stuff. Yeah, that's kind of the idea behind how I want the UI to be. Yeah, even right here on Baldur's Gate 3, they do the same kind of thing. Just nothing too crazy, but just, you know, they got unique kind of shapes going around things. I really like Enshrouded UI. It's simple. But I like it. I don't think I've seen the Enshrouded UI. Let me look it up real quick. Let me look it up. This, I'm guessing this is Enshrouded. I hope. I looked up Enshrouded UI. Oh, of course, it sends me to some other bullshit. Yeah. Yeah, stuff like this. I am perfectly fine with UI that is like this. Like, it's nothing that crazy. It's just, you know, the buttons have unique shapes, unique art on them. The outline, like the edges or the borders are nothing that crazy. They just, you know, looks like they have like, you know, like a little bit of like tear and stuff on the edges. Yeah. Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with UI and stuff like this. Like, it's pretty basic still, but it's not like straight up Unreal Engine base, you know, just base stuff that comes with Unreal Engine. Like Ben said, sometimes less is more. I agree with that. Yeah, it doesn't need to be crazy. It doesn't need to be absolutely, like, ridiculous in your face at all. I just want it to be, you know, not the base shit that comes with Unreal Engine, you know? Yeah, like the inventory screen. Here, let's look up the inventory. Shrouded inventory. Take a look at it. Yeah. Yeah, stuff like this, I am perfectly fine with where to go. Yeah, they're basically doing the same exact kind of things that I was just showing, like in The Witcher and that other pack. They just have these unique, cool-looking edges around their border buttons, and yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much the idea of what I'm looking for in UI. Something like that. Very, very similar. Doesn't have to be, you know, crazy in your face at all. Cool. Someone over on Twitch quoting me? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think that is the best UI. You know, I'm kind of already doing the idea of what I want here. Just with, like, you know, the edges and stuff. You know, just, you know, replacing kind of the shapes and stuff with, you know, custom, you know, custom art. That sounds great. Maybe I could create some stuff. I'm bored anyways. Hey, if you want to, that would be greatly appreciated. And, yeah, I can throw you in the credits. You help me make UI, you will absolutely get credits and stuff. That would be awesome because I am not a graphic designer. Yeah, if you want to, just let me know and I could send you the dimensions of things as they get completed because they probably need to be the same dimensions of things that I'm making for them to properly look right. So yeah, just let me know. Let me know. Yeah, well, we pretty much got the layout of how I'm trying to make it. I just want to replace what's there with something prettier. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna do a pee break. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. So, let's continue. So we need to add the ability to go back. Let me think. Open level blueprint. You know, now that I know that... we can leave that how it is, I guess. Need to add our back button. Or menu back. Back. Put action menu back. Grab our character creator ref. We're gonna see it is valid. If it is valid, we want to grab the button. So, okay. And we want to grab the main menu ref and button. Get button selected. And go to our enums, menu enums. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate. Welcome back. Yes. So, maybe I just need an equal enum if difficulty is selected. We want to get the character creator ref removed from parent. Right? See if that works. Shrill Duck 41, yo, Shrill, what up? What you got going on? What up, what up? Pretty sure we already listened to this. Let me change this. We'll go down here, sure. Move from parent. Let's see if that's working. It is. Cool. So who gifted me a sub? Oh, that was, what was their name? Build, Play, Teach, I believe was their name. Yeah. They came in and gifted a whole bunch of subs yesterday. So yeah, now you got a sub. Learn, build, play. That's what it was. That's what it was. Yeah, it was. I got it kind of wrong, but yeah, that's what it was. So right here, we want to do this, I believe. 2 seconds. Need to make more emotes? What kind of emotes are you thinking? I just read it by clicking Shrill's name here. Oh, really? Does it show you that? It shows you who gifted the sub? Alright, let's see if this works. It does. Cool. Wait. But we also need to... We also need to redo this. If this doesn't break anything, we'll see. I'm not sure about adding another promoted variable there. We'll see what happens. Oh, it does work. Does everything else still work? No. Why does the buttons not work again? I need to learn how to make animated emotes? Oh, that sounds hard. That sounds hard. Oh god. So why do the buttons not work after I do that? Let's see. Maybe instead of in here where we're removing from parent, right? Isn't that what we're doing? What if we just... Maybe we do just want to set visibility to hidden instead of removing it to hidden. And then over here, instead of creating it, we just set visibility to visible. Let's try that. I'm not the best artist, so it's gonna be harder. Shit. I know how that is. Trust me, I know how that is. Yeah, that shit's hard. That shit is hard. Okay, so it sent me back to this menu. So we also want to... Once we... On the main menu widget, once difficulty is selected, we want to game logo, difficulty selection, main menu selection. Let's try this. So once we do this here, let's set visibility to be visible. Same with this. Then we want to set this to be hidden. Right. Set visibility to hidden. Remember what I told you about the pixeler filter for your overlays to make it look better? Yeah, I'm just gonna not worry about it. I'm gonna get someone else to just help me with UI. It'll turn out better if I just let somebody else do it. So that's the plan. So let's see if that works now. Looks like it is. Right. It's going back and forth. Just need to change the time on that. On the... Change this back to 2 seconds. Then we want to set... I'm here to teach you so you can. Yeah, it'll be okay. It'll be alright. I've had a few people offer to help me with it, so... If other people want to help me, I'd rather just do that, because it'll turn out better than me even trying. So... What do we have here? Difficulty selection, new game button selected. So we need to... In our enum... In our... right here... Let's add... Because right here we're setting difficulty selected. We probably want to set that to be off of that. It's still working, but we probably still want to change this for just in case purposes. Blueprints, enums, menu enums. Let's add an enum called button selection, or call it main menu button selection screen. We'll add this to the top. And then right here on the level, we will grab our main menu ref and button, get button or set button selections to main menu button selection screen. There we go. I'm glad I can use a mouse to draw on programs. Helps with my trimmers. Oh, do you think it would be harder for you if you were using like a tablet or something? We also want to play a sound there. We're gonna play button click. Yeah, there we go. Can't use a pencil to draw. My hand starts to tremor after like 5 minutes. Oh damn, that sucks. Hydrate? I shall. I see the hydrate, but I don't see who did the hydrate. Gave me the notification. Oh, it was Lord Kenny. There we go. Lord Kenny likes to make me pee. Okay, so we got this. It didn't play this. Oh, it waited to play the sound. Okay. Let's play the sound before the delay. Where's the delay? Right here. There we go. There you go. They want to turn you into Sir Peas a lot? I suppose so. I don't want to pee a lot, though. I don't want to pee a lot. Cool. Oh, we got friggin' ads. You like our difficulty screen, Trill? We're gonna have 5 difficulties. Yeah. Where's hardcore? I mean, very hard is pretty much hardcore. Oh, you talking about hardcore like permadeath? Ooh. Should we add a permadeath option? Should that be a thing? Multi-threaded rendering and batched instance rendering is almost done. Just need to hope it's not broken. Oh god. Yeah, you're just like adding all the stuff and haven't tested it yet. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yes? What if we just make very hard hardcore?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. We could just change very hard to hardcore. Need hardcore mode? We could make very hard hardcore. Trying to debate. Because we don't really have room for any more buttons here. But could just make very hard hardcore. Or we could add a button over here on the side. Put one on the right side of them? Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. We could just add just one little hardcore button over here. Or we could add a big hardcore button. And have it red. Well, I don't know about red. That wouldn't match the color scheme. Not very much. But we could add another button over here for hardcore. And blood going down it. Just trying to think of if that would look dumb, adding a button on the side like this. Like, how would we decrease the amount of how it would look? Let me think. Let's see. Difficulty selection. Be fine as long as it's a bloody key you push to start the game. Let me see. I'm just trying to think of if it's gonna really stand out. You want it to be in the center of them and bigger? Yeah. Something like that, maybe. Let's see. But we don't want it to be on that. Anchor it to the left. Right. Where's this anchored to? The top left? Okay. You're to the top left. Position 150 and 300. $150, $300. Oh, whoops, not size. $300, $300, $400, $450, $550. Size. Oh god, I dropped my vape. Size Y. 100? No. Wrong thing. Oh, we have this, the size, the content. Alignment 0.5. 0.5. What are the size of these? 350 and 75. $350, 75, $150. Hardcore? Like that? Something like that. And you can put in a warning under it to help fill it. I think this will be fine. Let's take a look at it though. Yeah. Hardcore could be cool. I mean, it'd be basically very hard, but with permadeath. But now we need to add all our button stuff to it. And change the names. I'm just gonna change the names and then I'm gonna take a break for a little while. Warning, push at your own risk. Hardcore button size box. Hardcore border. Hardcore button. Hardcore text. Hardcore could be an option. But we need all of this. And we wouldn't really need to add new code to it. We could connect it all to the very hard code. The only thing we would really need to change is what happens on death. We need to add the enum. Hardcore? Cool. Sets hardcore difficulty. to hardcore. Cool. Okay, I think that's good for now. So, let's take a little break. I gotta grab some breakfast, then I'll probably stream more on the material setup. Hey, enjoy your breakfast. Yeah, I'm about to take a break as well. And, yeah, get some food and stuff. Action redeem breaks disabled for 30 minutes? Nah. 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 Okay. Hell yeah. So let's see. And I keep coming to software and game dev every day to see if there's anyone oh, there's someone using Unreal right here. It's like the first time I've seen someone using Unreal in the past like 3 days. So, let's... Where'd they go? Oh, there's a few people using it, I guess. Where'd that other person go? Let's trade out to this person. Catch you soon, man. Hey, I appreciate it. Learn, build, play. Not many use Unreal, which is strange to me. I mean, a lot of people use Unreal, but like a lot of the people that stream don't use Unreal Engine, and I find that weird. They're all on like Unity and Godot. Go live on Twitch, Casey, on YouTube. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Actually, you stream. It was Twitch last night, right? So they don't stream it. Yeah, a lot of Unreal folks don't stream. So we're gonna raid out to this person, Keen Dev. All right. So yep, I appreciate everyone for hanging out. I'm gonna take a little break, like a few hours. I'm gonna eat and such, and then I will be back. I appreciate everyone for hanging out, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.